Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can view contact info on WhatsApp web. So it's the quickest way to manage privacy settings, media and shared groups for a specific person. So open the chat, click on the conversation with the person whose info you want to see. So you will see it right here on this left side. Now what you need to do at the very top, you will click on the name of this contact. So contact name, click on it. So right here at the top. And this on the right side, contact info will appear. So from the right side of the screen containing all their profile details. So the contact info panel provides several management tools like media, link, docs, start messages, disappearing messages, advanced chat privacy encryption. You can add it to a favorite, add to list, or you can also delete chat. And this is how you can view contact info on WhatsApp. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.